Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can view and learn all the different voice commands on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on Voice Control. In here, tap on Commands, and you'll be able to view a list of all the commands available on your device. At the top here is the option to create a new command. So in here, you can put in a new phrase, and then you can choose an action. So insert text, run custom gestures, or run shortcut. You can also choose to run an application if you so wish. And that's it. So that is for creating a new command. Now all the pre-built command, basic navigation. In here, you can learn about Open App Library. You can switch it on. You can also set whether you need to confirm before the voice control. Go ahead and open up the app library. Similar to Open App Switcher, you can choose to turn on off, and you can also set confirmation required. And then you got Open Control Center, Open Close Control Center, Open Notifications. Sorry, look like voice control is actually doing that. So we got here Close Notification Center, and then so on all the different basic navigation for your voice control all in here. You can go through the list and learn them all or one at a time. Next is the overlays options. So here the overlays command. Then you got basics gestures command. So you got the scrolling command, zoom command, decrement or increment numbers command. You can ask your device to perform a single tap action, double tap action, double tap on the item name or number, long press, and so on. So here I can say show numbers, and then I can say single tap for. So you can see it will perform a single tap on this item here. Hide numbers. And next is the advanced gestures, and here you can perform drop and drag action. And next one is the dictation. You can use issue dictation command. Text navigation, so you can ask your device to move up, move down in the text, move to the right, to the left, to the beginning, to the end, and so much more down here in the list. So you can learn all the different commands for text navigation. Then you got text selection, so you can select that, select all the text, select on a particular phrase, select a phrase, emoji, select previous, next, character, previous character, next character, word, previous word, next word, sentence, previous sentence, and much more. And then you got text editing, so you can learn all the different commands for editing text. Text deletion, there are different deletion that you can use when you are editing text. And device, you can ask your phone to perform some device functions such as turning down or turning up the volume, mute sound or unmute sound, rotate landscape, rotate to portrait, lock screen, hang up, make emergency call, open Apple Play, and so on. And then you got the accessibility option, so turn off voice control. So you can ask your device to turn off voice control, to turn off the voice control, to turn on Apple Watch mirroring. So turn off voice control, and then it says I need to confirm, and that will allow me to turn off voice control. And here I can choose to turn on voice control if I wanted to as well. And lastly is the import custom commands. So in here you can import any custom command that you have previously saved. so that, for example, if you are upgrading to a new iPhone, you can back up those commands so that when you have a new iPhone, you can import those files over to your new device and you don't have to create those commands again. And that's it. So those are all the different commands that you can view and learn how to use them with your voice control on the iPhone 15 series. Next one is the vocabulary. So you can also teach your device or teach voice control new words by adding your vocabulary into this vocabulary list. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.